In this video, I'm going to show you how to download music from Spotify so you can listen to it offline. First, you must open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Then, find and select the song you wanted to download. Tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, tap Add to Playlist, and after that, tap New Playlist and give your playlist a name. Once you tap Create, the song will be added to your new playlist. To make the song available for your offline listening, go to the playlist you just created and turn on the download toggle. Now, the song will download to your device and you'll be able to listen to it even without an internet connection. Important note: to use Spotify's offline listening feature, you need to have a Spotify premium subscription, so this feature is not available for free accounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tech tips.